I don't know, rook e6. Is that any good? Bishop h4. Okay, move. About just h4 for the moment. Protect e4. Ouch. Okay, over here somewhere. I've only got a small clock advantage. Ouch. I'm protecting f2 anyway. What about h5? Queen e8, h5. Alright, simplifying out. Let's take this pawn. He's slowing down here. I don't know, has the excitement slowed him down or something? I'm throwing a check. Oop, I shouldn't have done that. 4 seconds to finish me off. He's just lost on time. Oh well. I didn't deserve that, but I thought he was tied down significantly for a large part of that. Comments or questions on YouTube? Tell me if I missed anything magical here. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much. Okay, let's go again. I've had a bit of a run recently. So quick look history. Won the last 4 games. Just that one loss there, another FM. Okay. Maybe something solid like Slavish. E6. Maybe A6 and B5 will be annoying to play against. Okay, I can play for E5 and E4. I'll establish an aggressive pawn chain, then go for his king. How is that going to happen though with the bishop eyeing F4? I think knight H5 and F5. Sort of Dutch defense transposition. Whoa, that's quite radical. I could just take F5 and try and work on these pawns. Those are like pawns. If I can get to play knight F6 to E4, G4. How will this work? Knight E4 maybe. Don't do anything before that. With this bishop, a typical bad bishop with the Dutch. G6 and bishop H6, force E3. Anything better? Try and get an exchange going here. Hang on. Get this bishop out to H5. I think I'm going to get rid of this binds at the moment. Occupying with a pawn. That's surprising. Okay, what about Queen H4 now? Is it F4? What about F4? Is F4 any good? Play Queen H4 next, Bishop E7 maybe, and Rook F8, Rook F5. I'm going to go for that, I think. If he plays E4 takes, his bishop will be solved. Bishop issue. So Queen H4, Bishop E7, Rook F8, Rook F5, Rook H5, just mate on H2. That's a good plan. Bad plan is better than no plan. I think the dog likes the plan as well. He's agreeing. He's just saying that's a really good plan. Okay, you think it's a good plan then, yeah? Queen H4, yeah? Queen H4, Bishop E7, yeah, good plan. Okay, if I play bishop e7 anyway, just sack that pawn. Was f3 any good? I think I have to unravel pieces on g5 as possible. But I want to get my rook quickly to hit that f4 square. It's 92 though. Still play. Let's play rook h5. Knight g3, rook f4, be on d4. Whoa! Okay, horrible. That's unpleasant surprise. Queen's getting in trouble. Okay, play this anyway. Rook h3, I don't know. There's no bishop f3, it's queen h3. There's no knight g3 at the moment, so the rook's on g3. It's always good news to celebrate. What about queen h6 and the other rook to f8? I think that exchange is gone. I can get the bishop anyway out to g6 later. It's not going to be so bad. He's got rook h3s as well, has he? I'm going to play bishop h4. Would that be useful? Bishop h4? Oh, he's thinking here. Okay, this queenside attack, maybe he's thinking about. Maybe not. I mean, he's just trying to win my queen. Can't get that f4 square. Or bishop e8. Got a bit of a fortress position here. Emerging. Okay, if I go. I don't know, bishop h4 is a bit of a liability, so probably queen g7. That's knight g3 now. Okay, rook f7. Where's knight h5? Ouch. Or even that, whatever that does. I'll take it. Take bishop e6 here. Looks as though just to set up a blockade. What about queen f8, rook g7? Queen f8. Anyway, actually forced. I could sack another exchange with rook f6. Say that I've got a blockade. If I didn't, say I did bishop f6, or normal, this bishop would be bad. If I did rook f6, d4 might be weak. I could play. I don't know. Don't like giving away this dark square bishop. Actually, especially when it can be used to win d4. But I'm going to get slaughtered on the e file. It's the only slight problem. Play bishop f7, I think. Rook e1, bishop f7, and queen g7. Try and win d4. So double exchange down. Oh well. Why be one exchange down when you can be two exchanges down? It's queen h6. Yeah. If I want to hit f4 again. Queen g7, king f8. If I want to protect e8 to avoid getting mated. It's queen g7. Queen g7 here. Is he really going to play rook e8? If he doesn't, oh, he's sacking the exchange there. Can I just set up a fortress? Okay, fortress time. Okay, he's let me setting up fortress. What about queen h6? Try and get the queen in. Oh. Okay. The rook could come in. Ouch. I have to get my queen in to get some checks. Maybe consider d4 and bishop d5. d4. He's going to have to stop d4 surely. I'll play it here to get bishop d5 in. Get my king over here if he starts checking. No, I can't. If he wants a perpetual check, I think it's perpetual check time. But I think it must be winning for him, surely. Exchange up. Unfortunately. Oh, maybe not. That doesn't look like Queen H3, threatening Queen F1. Why did he play that, not perpetual check? These are big threats now. Queen F1, Queen F3. If I play Bishop D5, can I be worse? Queen C3 coming in. Clock advantage, that's the important thing. Yeah. Queen G3, Queen F1, C6 is Queen C3. Maybe I'll do D3 and D2 maybe. Oh! Oh god, can I take? Can I get away with taking and D3? He's in time for the pawn. Right, Queen B3, Queen B3 protecting D5. Okay, now D3. Protect D5 with the king. Stop the queening. Oh, he's on F6. Get my king out this way. I'll play King D5. Just allowing a skewer. Oh god. What a mess. Oh, that's really unfortunate. That's really unfair. Oh, that didn't need to happen. That was unfortunate. Comments or questions on YouTube. I think a new video for the next game. Cheers.